How are you? Brother? কেমন আছেন?
ভালো ভাই।
ভালো আছেন, আপনার নাম কি?
জিহাদ ভাই।
Jihad. His name is Jihad. He's very well and he sells this. কত টাকা?
20 টাকা ভাই।
20 টাকা. This per piece cauliflower is 20 টাকা. This time I am the bridge of Bau Bazar and this video I will cover as the Bangladesh's top and important river, Buriganga. This river once upon a time there was a very familiar because this time was very overall people is happening. Oh my god, it's very harmfully. When you talk to in English, people look at me. Oh, this is the river, and I am in the one of the in Islamic mosque. It's not mosque. It's called in Bangla Mazar. Lot of things. Okay, the Buriganga most attractive thing is that different kind of ships is here and different kind of people. But before Padma Bridge is constructing, most of the people use this ship for going to southern part because this ship usually used for this reason. But now I am on the Buriganga bridge and over this river, unconstable, very important, overcrowded places. Nowadays this bridge is always full of the cars because there is lot of cars demanded of roads stop, and I am going the middle of the point of this Buriganga bridge, and this is the one of the most crowded places also happening here. No problem. This time, little bit free in this bridge, but this is the crowded place. This is one of the largest ship in Bangladesh, and they have come here. But all of them are now do not use usually because people use the bridge. Anyone can go to Orishal, Khulna division within 1 or 2 hours. But before constructing Padma River, people have to use this ship and lot of things will happening. Just wait and I'll talk something more. And this is the river of the Bangladeshis, and Buriganga River is also here. And I told there's something that before constructing Padma River, people usually use this ship for going to their houses, and every year it's happened different kind of incident. Many people died in Padma River, but after constructing the Padma River, there is no chance, there is no happen any kind of accident, but usually it happened, but people do not die more in this on the route of Padma River, Padma Bridge, and for this reason. Also, government used to pay 36 crore taka every year for the ship, but after constructing, government stopped paying this money. It helps our revenue and also helps to our economically. Not only Bangladeshi people but also foreigner people come to this country to visit and to visit. And also the Padma River, you know, one of the largest river in Bangladesh, and here is the thinking is happening is momentum. I hope you will get lot of pleasurable things in this way. Okay, let's go forward. I will show more. When I visit or came this day in the first time, this bridge was full of the bus. Today is Saturday, one of the reason most of the people goes to their workplace, and it happens Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, always crowded because this is Dhaka city. There are a lot of opportunity, people come here to work. This is one of the reason. And another thing, over 20 million people live in this city, and this is one, it happens usually crowded. It's not uncommon thing. It is a common thing. Always is happening. It's something I think. Now I am going to the other part of this bridge, and I hope you will get a lot of things. Oh, one of the most important things, this is the boatman. This is also popular, this boatman. Okay, you're seeing that the boatman, people do not use it like 10-20 years ago, especially constructing Baobazar Bridge. People goes from here to there with the boat, but this demand gradually decreasing. One of the reason is that I think maybe, and also it is not full of the stop job, but this is still people use the boat, especially those person who live in under this bridge and wants to go to from here to there, and they usually use this. I think I representing one of the largest bridge and steel bridge importantly connects the Dhaka city to southern part, also helps our country and these people, our district people. Otherwise, you think when there was no bridge, people used to take a lot of time to go to the other part, use the boat, and it takes a lot of time. No bus, no tension. You can walk and you can go to your destination over this bridge. Okay, by the way, I have to go to my house. I talk quite much. I'm thirsty also. I need to drink a bottle of water. This is my first time it's happened. I'm talking in Dhaka division. I don't know what kind of express, what kind of mistake I have made. I forgive me also, because I'm a new learner. It must have made some mistake. I apologize for this, and inshallah if you practice like this way you can also develop your speaking, inshallah. Before ending, I will say something more. This is called cauliflower. This product is grown especially produced in the winter season. This is the owner of this. How are you, brother? কেমন আছেন? ভালো ভাই। ভালো আছেন? আপনার নাম কি? জিহাদ ভাই। জিহাদ। His name is Jihad. He is very well and he sells this. কত টাকা? 20 টাকা। 20 টাকা. This per piece cauliflower is 20 টাকা. I love this cauliflower and very love. I love this and very important followers, I hope. Okay, there is nothing to say more. Thank you, brother, for giving your time. I have to end this video here. I'll talk later in different places, in different area. For this time, you should practice in English. Okay, let the bus go. It's very happening. It's very hard for me. Okay, goodbye. See you next day, next time, and next area. Okay, assalamu alaikum.